Number 5. Spigen ArcHybrid MagFit for MagSafe battery pack. 5000 mAh magnetic charging power bank. Fast wireless charge portable charger for iPhone 14, 13, 12 plus Pro Max Mini, USB-C cable included. I went into this category expecting Apple's own MagSafe battery pack to get top pick. And while it performed admirably, charging a dead 14 plus to about 43% in an hour and 45 minutes, Spigen's ArcHybrid delivered a 56% charge in nearly the same amount of time. The ArcHybrid firmly attaches to the MagSafe ring, and it's flush enough that you can easily hold your phone and use it while charging up. Unlike the Apple battery, it includes 4 indicator lights to help you gauge how much juice the pack itself is left. Considering Spigen's battery is $30 cheaper than Apple's, it's easy to recommend. Alternatively, Anker's 633 magnetic battery delivered a larger charge thanks to its 10,000 mAh capacity, boosting the iPhone to 100% in 3 hours with enough left over for an additional 29% charge. Number 4. Jackery Explorer 1000 Portable Power Station. 1002 watt capacity with 3 1000 WAC outlets, solar generator, solar panel not included, for home backup, emergency, outdoor camping. Clean and unlimited solar energy. 100% green energy with smart MPPT controller for optimal charging efficiency. The power station can be fully charged with 2 Jackery SolarSaga 100W solar panels. Should be bought separately, within 6 hours or only 5.5 hours via AC wall outlet charging. Ideal for your camping or family emergency storage. Easy to use. The ergonomic shape of the handle grants an ease grip, and use in one touch with simple and speedy setup within 60s to enjoy outstanding charging efficiency. Safe and reliable for outdoor camping. Features industry-leading cylindrical batteries, popular with manufacturers of electric vehicles, that meet UL safety standards. Number 3. Anker Magnetic Wireless Charger 633 MagGo 2-in-1 Wireless Charging Station, Detachable Portable Charger. Only for iPhone 14 14s, Pro/14 Pro Max/13 13s, Pro Max and AirPods Pro, Misty Blue. Charge simultaneously. Keep iPhone 13 12s and wireless earbuds charged at the same time in one convenient place. Note: charge without a case or with an iPhone-compatible magnetic phone case. Instant snap. To make charging truly effortless, simply hold the iPhone near the magnetic charging surface and see it snap into place automatically. Extra power to go. Seamlessly slide out the slim 5000 mAh portable charger and get up to 17 hours of extended use. When the battery runs low, snap it back onto the charging station for an instant recharge. The right angle. Rotate vertically or horizontally, and adjust the viewing angle up to 40 degrees to watch videos, reply messages, or video call. Number 2. Chargic Portable Charger Storm 2 100W 25600 mAh Laptop Power Bank. World's first see-through battery pack with IPS screen DC and 2 USB-C and USB ports for MacBook Pro/Dell XPS, iPad/iPhone 13 and more. 25,600 mAh large capacity. With a massive 25,600 mAh capacity, the Chargic Storm 2 power bank can provide iPhone 19W, up to 7 charges, MacBook 45W, up to 1.2 charges, iPad 30W, up to 2.5 charges, GoPro/DSLR up to 15 charges, powering for days, but it only needs 90 minutes to be fully recharged. Intelligence IPS screen. The portable phone charger's on-display power management system visualizes the battery life, output distribution, running temp, and DC voltage adjustment in a clear, concise, and intuitive way, showing you the whole process of charging. Number 1. Panasonic KKG55 MCA4BA Advanced Individual Battery 3-hour quick charger with 4 AA in a loop rechargeable batteries. White. Long-lasting performance. Recharge Eneloop AA rechargeable batteries up to 2100 times. Power Fuel Naima rechargeable batteries. Eneloop AA Niamed pre-charged rechargeable battery. Deliver up to 2000 mAh typical, 1900 mAh minimum. Already charged and ready to use. Eneloop AA rechargeable batteries are pre-charged at the factory using solar power and maintain up to 70% of their charge after 10 years, when not at use. Advanced Charging CAPABILITES. The Panasonic TC55 battery charger individually charges each Eneloop AA and AAA rechargeable battery, resulting in a perfect charge every time. 4 individual LED color indicated auras. The CC55 battery charger features 4 separate LED charging lights, one for each unique charging station.